Welcome back office executives. In this particular Excel problem set scenario, we will be discussing over suffix and prefix in Excel. So if you want to suffix the names with Mr. instead of doing it manually, you can do something like in this way. Select all the names, then right click and go to format cells. From there, select the custom option, and now we'll be suffixing these names with an designation of Mr. / Mrs. and then we will be giving a space, so the space will be within double quotation @ the rule for suffix or prefix is something like this, that @ denotes the textual content while hash denotes numeric content. So as I have already mentioned that @ denotes textual content and hash denotes numeric content. So if you want to suffix these mobile numbers with +91, what you need to do is that go to format cell dialog box. From there select custom, and in the type write +91 within double quotation, since that +91 within double quotation, since that's my input, and the number will be represented by hash. Hit OK, and all of the numbers would be suffixed with +91. So that's all for the short video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy coding.